So we all know that how post-install script have become a security risk in npm packages. We have seen in recent attacks like Axios or different packages in Strapi's ecosystem. So if you are not aware of this, you can check in safedep.io/blog, where you can find all the analysis of different incident recently happened. Now, the scarier part is that when you just run a simple npm install command, the scripts just run on their own even if you didn't ask for it. So, understand it better, I will just stimulate like a simple run a simple script that will show you that how such raw post install script works. So this is a simple test script. So we have a test written which will fail if any script try to read any private files like AWS credentials or tokens or SSH creds. So if I run this script and this test will fail simply as I told that it was trying to read SSH contents or your AWS content. So when you're using PMG, package manager card, so PMG basically blocks malicious packages at install time only. So when you're using PMG comes with a default feature called sandbox. So sandbox simply means running anything in a restricted environment. So it has some policy like allowing or blocking any specific things like accessing your files, your credentials, your tokens or system commands and all. So the same script which I run earlier, if I run the same script in a sandbox environment, so let's see what happens. Now the test has passed. Like previously I run this script like a raw, like when you try to install any package, how raw post install script work. Now the same thing I run in a sandbox environment, in a restricted environment. So the test has barred because since this file was trying to access SSH file and .aws, your credential files, so this test has been passed because that accessing your files has been blocked in the sandbox environment. So when you're using PMG, you don't have to use always this sandbox command. PMG does this work internally and automatically. So when you use trying to install any package using using PMG, so PMG does the installation of this post install script in a restricted environment. So the simple thing is that you didn't change the code, you just change the permissions. So this video just shows that like if you have PMG set up in your machines and when you're trying to install packages which could have pre-installed scripts or a post-install and you don't know these scripts can read your credentials or keys or tokens. So yeah, PMG can help in this scenario and you will not get be compromised.